declared themselves as the cheated.
Yes.
So, liability of both the parties knowing the facts, she executed the development agreement.
Knowing what fact?
Well, that the properties under cheated agency under the cheated agency.
How does it matter?
Property.
Whether it is thika, whether it is WAF property, there are different forum to decide.
Why he has
You have constructed illegally, and for this reason, you will pay the compensation for them. The respondent number 11 is accordingly directed to deposit a sum of rupees. How much you say? 2 lakh on ad hoc basis. With whom?
the corporation, the KMC treasury,
In the treasury of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation by 31st of May 2024. Stop. Next. The respondent number 11 is also directed to provide compensation for, not compensation, pay charges for alternate accommodation of the respondent numbers 13 and 14 to the tune of rupees 50 lakhs. You mean to say that she is to suffer? What type of suffering? Tell me what type of suffering. What do you suggest?
I file a very short affidavit within a day. Lordship takes it up on Friday.
50 lakhs
But I
to be deposited. Which police will it be? The officer in charge, Beliaghata Police Station, is directed to render all necessary help and assistance to the men and agents of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation at the time of executing the order of demolition. Stop. The police will be responsible for vacating the... Doesn't matter. Can you accommodate over there? No. Pay money. No consideration.
was pleased to direct me to give instructions so far 31.
Whether it is sanctioned or not.
The instruction is a very poor manner, but even that I am handing over the Lordship Malak. This signed also. No sanction.
31 Kalimuddin Sirkas Lane. The how many floors are there?
G+3.
4 floors.
Constructed by the landlord. I have sanction plan.
12.5 meters. How many floors will be there?
3.31 floor.
If that be so, then 4. But he says G+4.
G+3.
G+3. Total 4 floors.
I sanction plan is there.
For the respondent number 12.
I think from the affidavit that these premises almost various portion has been occupied perhaps.
No, only the first floor has been occupied below. The photograph
31,
will indicate
31.
yes, 31. But the photograph will indicate below only the first floor is being occupied by the owners. The remaining floors are vacant below. The photograph will indicate that.
How are you occupying the floor in that case? Are you there?
No, I am in that building lot which has to be demolished. A lot has passed on.
The owner is there. You are talking about in 31 Kalimuddin. The other floors are vacant.
Other floors are vacant.
And
Photograph will indicate.
But he cannot give possession. He is clearly stated. Then he has to
Pay.
pay money for they will they himself make
development agreement once.
why?
They have declared themselves as the cheated.
Yes.
So, liability of both the parties knowing the facts, she executed the development agreement.
Knowing what fact?
Well, that the properties under cheated agency under the cheated agency.
How does it matter?
Property.
Whether it is thika, whether it is WAF property, there are different forum to decide.
why he has
You have constructed illegally, and for this reason, you will pay the compensation for them. Please come.
My lord, if I may
Madam,
submit,
uh,
my lord, I'm no way connected to this property. I'm no way connected to this developer. My lord, if I may.
You are respondent number?
12, my lord, and I have
Who is-
not been yet served with a copy, my lord.
Who is the respondent number 12? Shamrat Ghosh. Who is he?
I have received a copy of
Who is Shamrat Ghosh? How is he
My
connected?
lord, I'm no way connected.
I am agreeing with the petition. If your lordship can consider the earlier order. No.
My lord, if I may be permitted to be expunged, my lord.
No. Petitioner, let me hear from the petitioner
I have
first.
one small prayer, Lord. Your Lordship directed them to pay money to the persons. Mother kindly also direct them to pay 2 lakh rupees to the corporation for demolition of the existing building. Because they will flee away. I will not get any money.
And my lord, pursuant to your lordship's order dated 22nd of April,
Have you disconnected the sub
no, there was an extension till
till 31st?
Yes.
Then wait.
Yes, yes.
Learned advocate representing the developer.
My lord, I represent the developer, but only one thing, my lord, if your lordship grants me time, my lord, to file a very short affidavit by Friday, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Because, my lord, there are certain documents which have not been brought to the notice of this honorable court.
Tell me how you could construct without a sanction plan.
But
I do not
see,
want to see anything
I
else.
have constructed, my lord, without a sanction plan. Lordship has passed an order of demolition. My lord, I have to bow down by that order. But there is nothing saying, my lord, the corporation has said. I also say there is no sanction plan. But so far as the compensation part is concerned, my lord, lordship kindly has a look at this document.
No.
But kindly, because my lord, this property is admittedly a secret-rented property. She could not have even, my lord, entered into a development agreement. But she cannot be allowed, my lord, permitted to, my lord, take an undue advantage of her own.
Learned advocate representing the respondent number 11, being the developer, submits upon instruction that his client is not in a position to permit any alternative accommodation to the
Respondent number 13 and 14.
respondent numbers 13 and 14 who are elderly senior citizens. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the respondent number 11 is directed to pay compensation to the aforesaid respondents so that they may find accommodation elsewhere. Stop paragraph. The learned advocate representing the corporation submits that the costs for demolition of the unauthorized structure be deposited by the respondent number 11. Stop. Next paragraph. The respondent number 11, being responsible for causing unauthorized construction, will be bound to pay the costs for demolition of the unauthorized structure. Stop. Next. The respondent number 11 is accordingly directed to deposit a sum of rupees. How much you say? 2 lakh on ad hoc basis. With whom?
With the corporation. The KMC treasury.
In the treasury of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation by 31st of May 2024. Stop. Next. The respondent number 11 is also directed to provide compensation for, not compensation, pay charges for alternate accommodation of the respondent numbers 13 and 14 to the tune of rupees 50 lakhs.
But I cannot. Lordship would kindly consider, my lord. But I am
Make arrangement for them. You are not willing.
My lord, if your lordship sees the agreement,
There is
my lord,
an address mentioned
development
31.
said that I was entitled to the entire shifting charge. I have done that. But as soon as, my lord, she gets repossession, the agreement comes to an end.
Does it mean that you will shift her and then she'll go in the open sky?
Welcome
Is it
back
so?
to
But
my
I
channel.
cannot, my lord, continue with this liability
Follow,
forever. My lord,
like,
she is also wrong, my
and
lord.
ring
She has
button.
entered into a development agreement.
And that is the reason she
সবাই
is facing
বিভিন্ন
these
রকমের
consequences.
ভিডিও
She has to
আপনাদেরকে আমি
My lord,
stay
share
under the
করছি।
open sky.
my lord, the only
ভিডিওর
thing is,
মধ্যে
my lord, I cannot arrange. My lord, if she has done a
আমাদের
wrong, my lord, she has
আড়ালে
also
চোখের
committed a
আড়ালে
wrong.
You have also committed a
কিছু
wrong.
ঘটনা
I am
ঘটে যাচ্ছে।
suffering, my lord, she also has to
কিছু
suffer.
মানুষ আমরা
Very well,
জানতে
then
পারছি, কিছু
Sees the
জানতে
development
পারছি
take
agreement.
responsibility.
আমরা ঠিক
Take
জানি।
responsibility. Will she
যেগুলো
stay
জানতে
outside?
পারছি,
I have no
What
সেগুলোকে
do you mean to say that
আমি
she is to suffer?
আপলোড
What
করে
type of
আপনাদেরকে
suffering?
শেয়ার
the
করছি।
development.
Tell me
বিভিন্ন
what type
রকমের
of
ভিডিও
suffering?
মামলাতে
What do
হয়।
you suggest?
Make
নানা
arrangements
রকমের
for her
ঘটনা
own, my lord, I cannot, my lord, I
ঘটছে।
cannot take this liability.
আপনাদেরকে কেমন
Had this
লাগছে
agreement not
আমাকে
been
কমেন্ট
there,
করে
she
জানাবেন।
would have been in
আর
that
আপনারা
house.
আমার সঙ্গে যেভাবে
In whatever
সহযোগিতা
position
করছেন
the house would have been.
সেই সহযোগের জন্য আপনাদেরকে আমার
Is it
আন্তরিক
or is
শুভেচ্ছা
it
ও
not?
ধন্যবাদ।
My lord,
Then
এবং
it is for
আগামী
you
দিনও আপনারা
that the
এইভাবে আমাকে
development
সহযোগিতা
agreement.
করুন।
she on her own
আমি
volition has
আরো
executed this
এগিয়ে
development
যাওয়ার
agreement.
জন্য
But I
আমি
did not coerce or pressure
চেষ্টা
her to
করব
sign this.
Please,
আপনাদেরকে
Want
আরো
again you are
সুন্দর
going
ভিডিও
wrong. You are going
দেখানোর
wrong all
জন্য
over again. That there is no
আর
wrong with the development
দেখছেন
agreement. There is
পঞ্চায়েত
wrong
প্রধান
in
থেকে
your constructing it without a valid
unauthorized
sanction.
If
construction,
this is a Thika tenanted property,
ডাক্তার,
my lord, this is, my lord, the
বিভিন্ন
agreement
টাইমের
says this is a
ভিডিও
Thika tenanted
আমি
property.
আপনাদেরকে
Lordship,
We will not go by the agreement.
দেখুন
My lord, she
It
agreed
is
to
you,
Thika tenanted.
it is you who have brought them outside, and it is for you to put them inside.
Already put them inside.
যথার
My
সময়
lord, he reported.
Inside in such a in such a structure.
Lord, may I file a very short affidavit within a
Uh,
Lordship takes it upon Friday.
50 lakhs
এবং
But I-
গুরুজন
to be
যারা আছেন,
deposited
তাদেরকে আমার
uh,
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
with the
আমার
Registrar General of
শুভেচ্ছা
this court.
জানিয়ে আমি আমার বক্তব্য এখানে শেষ
Stop.
করলাম।
Next.
আপনারা আমার চ্যানেলের পাশে থাকুন।
The matter is made returnable on 10th of June 2024. Stop. Next. Immediately upon the end of the month of May 2024, it will be open for the corporation to start with the demolition work.
Police also will.
My lord, regarding the direction upon the CSC, my lord.
The CSC, which police will it be?
Beliaghat case.
The officer in charge, Beliaghata Police Station, is directed to render all necessary help and assistance to the men and agents of the Kolkata Municipal
Welcome
Corporation
back
at the
to my
time of
channel,
executing the order of demolition.
Sanat
Stop.
Plus and information।
The police will be responsible for vacating the
সময়